Hello everyone, and welcome back to 4 Drive Time. Today, we're taking a close look at one of the most important crash evaluations out there, the updated IIHS moderate overlap front test, and we're comparing two popular compact SUVs, the 2026 Volkswagen Tiguan and the 2026 Kia Sportage. This updated test goes beyond the basics. It places much greater emphasis on rear seat protection, making it a true indicator of real-world frontal crash safety. Let's start with the Volkswagen Tiguan. In this updated moderate overlap front test, the Tiguan received a poor rating. While the vehicle's structure held up well and front seat protection was reasonable, the test revealed clear weaknesses in rear passenger safety. The rear occupant experienced elevated chest injury risk, and the restraint system struggled to manage crash forces effectively. Under IIHS new standards, this significantly impacts the Tiguan's overall safety performance. Now, let's move to the Kia Sportage. The 2026 Sportage delivered a much stronger result, earning a good rating in the same updated test. Both front and rear occupants were well protected, with improved rear seat belt design and better control of crash energy. This level of performance shows how updated safety engineering can make a real difference, and it plays a key role in the Sportage's IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus recognition. In this comparison, the Kia Sportage clearly outperforms the Volkswagen Tiguan in the updated moderate overlap front crash test. While the Tiguan offers solid structural integrity, the Sportage provides more complete protection for everyone inside, especially rear passengers. If safety matters to you, this is exactly the kind of difference you need to know about. Thumbs up if you found this comparison helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to 4 Drive Time, and turn on notifications for more real-world crash test breakdowns and honest car safety insights.